Fox Carolina Weather. Weather Rate certified most accurate local forecast.
Watching closely as the coast and the Midlands of the Carolinas deal with a major winter storm today into tonight. Areas of winter weather advisories, ice storm warnings from Myrtle Beach on north to Wilmington, and then winter storm warnings inland of the Outer Banks. So definitely a big system for them today. Locally, we're on the edges of it, so we could see some winter weather at times by this evening, but for the most part, dry weather is expected to take over our day. The brunt of the moisture is still down on the Gulf Coast. It will slowly push inland today and up that east coast. So as we go through it hour by hour, I'll show you that the upstate, the northeast Georgia, and the mountain regions, we're on the edges of it. We could see a little, but not much in the way of wet and wintry weather. This morning through early afternoon, little specks of pink or white on the map mean you might find a sleet pellet, you might find a snow flurry, but all the way through about 2 or 3 p.m., it looks mostly dry. As that moisture gets toward the coast, though, we're going to see the edges of it get through here. 3 or 4 p.m., some wintry mix, possibly some iciness in the far southern upstate, Abbeville, Greenwood, Newberry counties. Could see some of that by the late afternoon. You get into the evening, 6 o'clock, and look at that. Pockets of snow start to form at times. And while some of that is expected to push into our area briefly, we really see that most of that moisture misses us to the south and east. So it is looking generally dry, although pockets again of snow flurries could pass by before it all clears out overnight and into tomorrow. So when it comes to snow totals, we're looking at 1 to 2 inches in the eastern mountains, less than an inch in the central and eastern upstate, and then just some flurries off to the west. Really not a big issue for us, but because of temperatures, we could see some black ice form tonight in some areas, making it slick. 20s in the mountains now, 30s for the upstate, and with the wind pumping in from the north and east up to 14 miles per hour now in downtown Greenville. We're going to see these temperatures actually fall today. So from 36 degrees this morning and brief snow late, these temperatures will actually get down to the freezing mark by 4 or 5 p.m. and the wind will stay gusty with that. In North Carolina, you're going to hover around or even below freezing for the entirety of the day with a breeze out of the north and northwest. It's just going to be a very chilly setup. So we're looking at a small chance for snow today in the mountains, 31 degrees, then it's in the teens overnight. Tomorrow, Saturday forecast calls for a high of 36, very cold and sunny. Sunday's back in the lower 40s. Here in the upstate, it's going to climb nicely into the weekend and early next week. 40s and 50s are expected. Lots of sun at least through Tuesday. But today brings a frigid temperature pattern, a strong wind, and a brief pocket of possible snowfall.